So welcome everybody to the Unwind and Breathe Workshop in the Low Carb Café, Regretless. My name is Dr. Avi Charlton and this is Carla. So welcome to this evening of Unwind and Breathe. I certainly absolutely need it because I've been so busy, so stressed out, and I'm so looking forward tonight. So we're going to talk about how tonight's going to run. I'll let Carla talk a bit as well.
Thanks, Avi. So basically at the beginning, I'm going to be speaking about mindful eating, and then we're actually going to practice some mindful eating, which is the fun bit. Then Avi's going to guide us through some breathing, which I'm sure we're all looking forward to. And then we're going to have dinner straight after that. Is that right, Avi?
Yes.
And then after that, I'm going to guide you through a meditation with some mindful eating affirmations. If I forget, please don't let me forget that I've got a list of them all written out. So if you want to take the affirmations home with you and do them at home, you can. And then after that, we're going to have dessert. And you can ask us any questions that you like whilst you're enjoying the most amazing desserts from Regretless. So that's the order of things. There'll be time whilst you're eating to chat and so on. And then at the end, save any questions you've got, unless they're urgent, for the end when we're having dessert. You can ask anything about what we talked about tonight or anything to do with low carb.
So while we're doing this, we found that with the low carb lifestyle, it is difficult. It's hard in the society because people aren't supportive in the usual society of low carb. Hi Ron, hi Svi. And so why we're doing this is we want to promote mindful eating. We want to talk about mindset, mental health, and how we can incorporate meditation and breath work into all this. And maybe when you're stressed, you can practice some of the things that we've talked about. And when you want to comfort eat, you can think about the affirmations, think about mindful eating to help you with going on this low carb lifestyle, because it is hard. It's hard to stick to just eating low carb because there's so much temptation of sugars and people think you're missing out. But in the reality, you're not missing out because you're looking after your health and you're looking after what works good for your body.
Here. I think that the mindset of eating is just as important as what you eat. And even if you're eating healthy food, if you're stuffing it in your face in 2 seconds, there's a very different impact on your mind and your body to if you eat slowly and if you practice the breathing that Avi's going to teach. It helps to avoid cravings. It helps to nourish yourself and to eat slowly and have a better relationship with food. And just to relax overall, like learning some breathing techniques and meditation and things like that can help your mental health as well as your physical health. So hopefully you'll take some of that away tonight and be calm and happy and blissful for the rest of the week.
So did you want to start on the mindful eating? Yeah, great. All right, so I'll leave it to Carla. She's going to take care of you on talking about mindful eating. Then you're going to practice what she teaches.